This is a 2018 Forest River R-Pod Model 190. It's got the U-shaped dinette that makes into a bed, LED lighting, 2-burner stove top. It has a microwave convection oven. It has the queen bed across the front, closet here in the hallway. The refrigerator is a 3-way, works on 12-volt DC, works on 120-volt AC, and works on propane. Here's your bathroom. Skylight up above. Foot flush on the toilet. Linoleum throughout. This has thermostatically controlled air conditioning. If you need more pictures, just go ahead and email. If you'd like to FaceTime, go ahead and contact us on the FaceTime cell phone and the advertisement. Thank you very much.